With just a few editing techniques in Lightroom Mobile, you can take your sort of dull photos and turn them into like a friggin' masterpiece, and your aesthetic on your Instagram will go up and you'll probably get 1 million likes. Yeah. I don't know, well, maybe not 1 million likes, but your photos will probably look better. So let's get into the video. How to edit photos on your phone with Jorden. What the heck? My name is Jorden and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm no professional photographer, but I have been creating some pretty cool photos over the last 3 years, and I've learned a lot about how to edit photos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit all your photos with a couple clicks of a button on your phone. Phones are getting so cool because technology is just like increasing. The cameras on these bad boys are awesome, and the apps and software inside are even better. What's super cool is that I've just released my first set of mobile presets that I'll be showing you guys today. If you don't know what presets are, they're sort of like flexible filters for your phone. I have a certain style of editing, as you can see from my Instagram here, and it's very high contrast, high saturation, and I just really like colors to pop in my photos. So that's what my presets represent. Presets are a really fast way to speed up your editing process, and you can actually use presets to learn about how photos were edited and that sort of thing. It's sort of like a behind the scenes look into how photo edits are actually created. So let's jump right in and I'll show you how it all works on the app. So once we open up the app, you can see that I've already loaded some photos that I love that have yet to be edited. And I've also loaded my mobile presets. These are the adventure presets and these are the GoPro travel presets. So first thing we want to do is go to our photo to edit. This is a photo I took in Hawaii. I personally love selfies and I love the ocean, so this is a great photo. One thing about GoPro photos is that they generally desaturate the image, because I know for a fact that the water in Hawaii is way more clear and clean and blue than that. To fix this, we're going to go to my GoPro presets and click on number 1. There you go. With one click of a button, we have got a nice, highly contrasted, high color image, something that I really love. It's my favorite way to edit. And just because the exposure, it just looks like it's a bit overexposed, I'm going to bring that exposure down a little. We're going to fiddle around with the whites and the highlights, but overall the image looks great to post to Instagram. Here is the before and after a simple couple clicks on my phone. Alright, in this next image, it is me hanging out in a palm tree. Who doesn't love palm trees, am I right? We're going to click GoPro 2 and boom, it just pops the image, makes it look so much more just enhanced, but it is slightly overexposed with the sand, so we're going to bring that exposure levels down slightly. No preset is ever going to be perfect. You're always going to have to fiddle around a little bit, adjusting to the type of settings that the camera has shot the photo in. But for this one, it looks pretty good. We're just going to warm it up a little with the temperature gauge, and there you go. Here is a simple before and after with just another couple clicks of the button. One added bonus to my presets is that it always makes those really crisp blue waters that you're going to get in Southeast Asia. So one thing about the Philippines is that the water is actually really blue. The photo does not do that justice, so I really like the outcome that this preset has with just one click, as it's way more closer to the original shot. Another awesome thing about the presets is that they don't just work for tropical countries. This is a photo of me in the streets of Paris, and I'm just going to go through and click these presets until I find one that I like. I think GoPro 5 has a really good base, so I'm going to stick with that one. And with a couple clicks in the light and color settings, we can really see this photo come to life. What used to be somewhat of a dead photo in an overcast day has now turned into a really cool image that is actually one of my favorite photos from France. So as you can see, it does take a couple clicks and you can really get a nice image. Here's one of my friends on a boat. A couple clicks, just sorting through which one I want to choose, and yeah. Here's one. Oh, here's a beautiful shot of a sunrise in the Sahara Desert. I'm going to go straight down to my sunset pack here, click on sunset 2, and then let's go over to the light settings and just change that exposure and contrast slightly just to make the photo a little bit more vibrant and colorful. And there you have it, a really cool photo. Here is the before, here is the after. And if you do have any questions about the presets or Lightroom, please put them below. I'm happy to answer any questions. Oh, here's an awesome photo that I really love from Portugal. Basically, this photo has so much potential, but it just looks a bit dull. It just doesn't have that pop that I want. So I'm gonna go down to Washed 2, click it, and then as you can see, it brings up the shadows and the light of the photo. I'm gonna fiddle around again in the exposure. It's very simple and straightforward, and you can just fiddle around with whatever you think looks good with these nice little bars until you think you got something that you love. I put up the vibrance a little, but there you go. There is the before, there is the after. Even though presets were already a time saver, they just released the ability to save the presets on the free mobile app. So now you can just go through, select the preset you want. It just makes the editing process even more easier than it already was, which is really cool. So here's a cute photo of me and Mark pretending to be lifestyle influencers. What we're gonna do here is, in my adventure pack, I have a preset called My Basic. So I'm gonna put my basic preset on my basic photo, and with a couple clicks you can see that it really just enhances the colors of the photo. I'm gonna obviously pull down the exposure slightly and adjust the temperature like usual, and there's the before and after. You guys get the gist by now, so I'm just gonna speed through these last few photos for you, just applying my presets to each one of them, and boom. So there you go guys, I just want to make this quick video to show you that my new mobile presets are really awesome. I'm super proud of them. I would love it if you guys go check it out if you are interested in upping your editing style for your travel or even your everyday photos. The presets work great with phones, cameras, anything, so it's really, really cool. And Lightroom Mobile is a really awesome app. You should get it nonetheless. So that is it from me. I hope you really enjoyed this video. It was a quick one today. I just wanted to let you know. If you do want to go check out my mobile presets, I'll put the link in the description below. There are a whole bunch of different packs to choose from Essential to Adventure to GoPro, or if you're feeling up to it, you can get the whole Master Collection. But yeah, thank you so much for the support, guys. I'll see you in the next one. What the heck? Good. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. 100% subscribe. Goodbye. What the heck?